things circulating on the internet. And my good friend, the leader of the opposition, is among those who have circulated, and I'm being very polite, euphemistic, circulated concerns about digital payments. There is no attempt by the government to remove cash, meaning paper money, from the system.
Lie!
As our country evolves into a digital country, as our society moves to become a digital society. And what do I mean by this? What do I mean by becoming digitalized? It means that
God Almighty, this looks serious, man.
so a lot of businesses are converting their systems away from cash.
Kiss me, rascal.
Many Jamaicans don't even know what we're talking about. That don't mean anything to them. They're still comfortable with the cash under the mattress. They still want to go and fill out the form and hand it in. But that era is fast coming to an end.
Radam.